Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the app. Make sure Quick Heal is running and you have administrator rights. Once done, click the Quick Heal icon in the system tray or open it from start. You're not changing definitions, just adjusting notifications, so don't worry about scans. Now navigate into the main interface and locate the Settings or Configuration menu. Keep an eye on prompts that require confirmation. You will accept changes only when prompted to ensure notifications are disabled properly. Once inside Settings, find the Notifications or Alerts section. Different versions might label it slightly differently. You want to disable pop-up alerts, sound alerts, and banner notifications. Toggle each off. If there's an advanced or event-based list, uncheck daily update messages and non-critical warnings. After toggling, click Apply or Save. Make sure to confirm any admin prompts, otherwise changes won't persist. Finally, exit the settings and observe the tray icon behavior for a minute to verify immediate effect. To finalize, restart Quick Heal or reboot the PC so settings fully take effect. Once restarted, reopen notifications to confirm your toggles persisted. If updates or program upgrades re-enable alerts, repeat the steps and consider locking settings with admin options. Troubleshooting tip: if notifications still appear, temporarily disable Quick Heal's real-time notifications and restart. If that fails, reinstall or contact support. Make sure you only silence non-critical alerts, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.